Today we're diving into Shred, a fitness app that claims to transform your workout routine. But does it really deliver on that promise, or is it just another flashy app with little substance? Let's find out. Shred is designed to help users streamline their fitness journey with personalized workout plans and nutrition guidance. The app offers a variety of training programs tailored to different fitness levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. Right off the bat, the user interface feels clean and intuitive, making navigation a breeze. One standout feature is the ability to track your workouts and progress over time, which can be really motivating. The app also includes video demonstrations for exercises, ensuring that users perform movements correctly. However, while the core functionality is solid, there are areas that feel a bit lacking. For instance, some users might find the meal planning aspect a bit basic compared to dedicated nutrition apps. Additionally, the community features could use more engagement. Right now, they seem somewhat underutilized. Overall, Shred does a decent job at providing a comprehensive fitness solution, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, Shred's personalized workout plans and user-friendly interface make it accessible for many. The exercise tracking feature is a great motivator and helps keep you accountable. However, there are some frustrations. The meal planning tools could be more robust, and it feels like the community aspect is underdeveloped. Additionally, pricing may be a concern for some users, especially if they're comparing it to other fitness apps that offer more features for less. Also, advanced users might find themselves wanting more sophisticated training tools or analytics over time. In short, while Shred has a lot to offer, it might not cater to everyone's needs, especially those looking for a more comprehensive nutrition or community experience. So, should you give Shred a try? If you're looking for a straightforward fitness app to help kickstart your workouts, it's definitely worth considering. However, if you're an advanced athlete or someone who prioritizes nutrition tracking, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it feels like a solid app, but with some room for improvement.